Welcome, my name is Achim Hermann, I'm business consultant with SDL. Today I want to show you a 20-minute product presentation of the software localization tool SDL Passolo. SDL Passolo is a specialized visual software localization tool with full Unicode support. Resource files from the main development platforms can be localized and static layout can be displayed and adapted in what you see is what you get editors. The QA feature will detect common software localization problems. As a standalone product, it provides internal translation memory technology but can also be integrated with other SDL tools. The alignment feature will help our clients to instantly start with the product if the software is already translated, and the update feature helps to drastically reduce the amount of work when localizing software updates. Automation and scripting helps integrating the product into a software production environment and to customize it. Passolo can localize many software-specific file formats, help file, even databases. A more detailed list can be downloaded from the SDL website. The demonstration will show a complete software localization cycle. The well-known Notepad editor is used as the localizable file. First, I create a new project. In the Home ribbon, I click on New. In the upcoming dialog, the project name is inserted and the folder in which the project will be stored is selected. Clicking OK will create the project and will show the project window. As a next step, localizable files will be added to the project. Right-clicking the source node in the project tree view and selecting Add Source from the context menu will open the file selection dialog. Select one or multiple files to be localized. In the demonstration, the Notepad executable file notepad.exe is selected. Clicking on OK will add the selected files to the project. Projects can be quite large, containing several hundred or thousands of files from all supported file types. Passolo is automatically determining the parser that is needed to extract the translatable resources. Users can change the parser if necessary. Selecting Create Update String List from the Home ribbon will extract all the translatable strings from the selected files into the project. The message window reports how many resources and strings were extracted. As a next step, the source lists of localization projects can be prepared. A source list can be opened by double-clicking the blue line item in the project view. This will create a new tab in the project window. The tree view in the source list window contains all the resource types and the resources itself. Notepad contains one menu, two dialogues, a string table, accelerator tables and the version information. In the list, all translatable strings are shown. Usually, some string entries must not be translated. At the end of the list, you will find the version resource. Selecting all string entries from the version resource and right-clicking the selection will allow you to hide them or tag them as read-only. Another string that must not be translated is the entry with the help file name. Read-only entries appear in the translation list, but translators can't insert a translation. As a second preparation step, additional context information for translators can be added to the project. For some source file formats like resx, comments can be extracted automatically and will be stored in the project. Additional comments can be added manually. The cryptic string entry selected in the list is a translatable entry. To avoid translator queries to project managers or developers, a comment will be added. These are shortcuts for header and footer in the printout. F equals file name. The meaning of the other characters are page number, time, date, center-aligned, right-aligned, and left-aligned. Closing the source list will store the prepared data and inherit it to all target languages. Passolo projects are multilingual. You can add all languages into one single project repository. Right-clicking the Targets node in the project view and selecting Add Language from the context menu will open the language selection dialog. For the demo, German and Japanese is added. Passolo also supports target languages without a region, which is necessary for some programming languages. Double-clicking the black line item in the project view opens the translation list. Entries in this list are colored to indicate the status. Red is untranslated, green is automatically translated, blue is for review, and black is translated and validated. Comments in the information about flagged entries were inherited from the source list. Leveraging existing translations can be done using a pre-translation step. Different sources can be connected and prioritized. The translations in the project itself are used as a project TM, external Passolo glossaries, translation memories from SDL Trader Studio and other SDL products, as well as the automated translation engine SDL Language Cloud can be connected. The statistics will report the number of words in the project that must be translated, and will also show word counts in the different status categories and fuzzy bands. The statistics can be used to negotiate prices with language service providers or with freelance translators. Project managers are able to export translation bundles containing text strings from selectable project modules and exchange these bundles via email with translators all over the world. External translators can use the free translator edition that can be downloaded from the SDL website to edit and translate the bundles, so there is no need to invest into licenses for external team members. The user interface of the free translator edition is identical with the full version, except of the project management functions. It offers all important translation features. After double-clicking a translation bundle, translators can instantly start translating.